just on my freaking driveway. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. And today, what are we gonna do today? Let me think. Oh yeah, we have to wash 2 cars. So we got a busy day. That's quite a lot. That's gonna take a lot of time for me now. For you guys probably not, but for me it is. And after that, we are taking my straight pipe GTI out for a drive, or maybe something else. I haven't decided yet, but we got too many cars. Let me show you. So of course we have my GTI over here. Yeah, that's the most famous car on this channel. In front of that, you have the Citroen C5. Piece of shit. It's a shit box, I know, but it's a new car from my dad. And that is his old car, an Opel Insignia. It's actually gonna be for sale. It's probably when this video is up, it is already for sale. And another special car that is not ours is of course E30 retro classic, if you would call it like that. Yeah, it's such a beautiful car. So we're gonna wash this car and my GTI. And maybe we are taking the E30 out. I haven't decided yet. Maybe the GTI or the E30. Let me know guys, because there is coming a full video about the E30. So first we have to move these 2 cars and get the GTI in position to clean her up, only from the outside this time. So actually we have 5 cars instead of 4 now. There's the Suzuki Swift as well. It's from my sister. Yeah, so in total we have 5 vehicles. That's quite a lot. But now we have to move these 2 cars to get the GTI in position and clean her all up. Okay, so got everything ready now, as you can see. Yeah, now it's time to wash the GTI first. Let's go guys. So we're done with 1 car. Didn't go in all detail and stuff, just sprayed her off, dried everything. Yeah, she's not super clean, but it's alright I guess for now. Let me do a walk around. Let me show you how clean my GTI is now. Well, she's looking like this now. Yeah, like I said, it's alright for now. The wheels are shiny again. Cleaned my exhaust pipes. Don't know if you see a difference. I don't really see a difference, but they're a little bit shinier now. Yeah, for the rest, she's looking pretty good in the sunlight. But not on the front, because you still see a little bit of the box, and the front windshield is still a little bit dirty. I have to do that with a special car shampoo. I already got the shampoo. That worked pretty well. She's still shiny because of that, yeah, car shampoo. But that will be in a future video, fully detailing my car. Yeah, I think it's time to get the E30. Clean that car, because that car looks a little bit worse now than it used to be. So yeah, let's switch the cars around. As you can see guys, this thing hasn't been used for quite a while. It was standing under a tree, something like that. And that's ruining the car a little bit. Because look at this guys. Bird shit all over the car. Yeah, all over the hood, windshield. It's not a clean car anymore. Yeah, we definitely have to fix that. It has been raining yesterday and the day before that, so she's a little bit cleaner than she was now. But yeah, we definitely have to wash her because it's quite embarrassing. Let's take a look under the hood how she looks, because I don't know if that's dirty as well. So maybe we have to clean that as well. It's actually pretty sick how this hood opens. It's not your normal type of hood, I would say it like that. Let me demonstrate you guys how to open a hood of a E30. There you go. Pretty sick. Gotta be honest guys, this looks freaking sick, doesn't it? Yeah, she's a little bit dirty. Not as bad as the outside of the car, but I think we're gonna clean this as well. Get rid of all of this stuff and that stuff right there. And look at this beautiful inline six guys. Gotta be honest guys, I'm a little bit of a Beamer fanboy, I know, and GDM cars and stuff like that, but BMWs and GDM cars, just my favorite cars ever made. There are probably coming cars like that on the channel in the future, so yeah, subscribe guys if you don't want to miss anything about my car journey and the cars that I'm gonna work on and gonna drive, of course. So yeah, subscribe to my channel too, so you don't miss anything about it. So we're gonna close the hood and yeah, then clean the car, I guess. It's probably gonna take me longer than the GTI over there. I parked it there because there was no space in the neighborhood, because we got freaking 5 cars now. Quite a big flex, guys, quite a big flex. Perfect. Okay guys, done cleaning the E30. Yeah, I got my sunglasses on because the color is pretty bright in the sun. So I had to get my sunglasses because she's pretty clean now. At least I only sprayed her off and dried her and stuff like that. Look at this guys, she looks pretty clean now. Look at this, in the sunlight, it's freaking bright. Oh, this is such a sexy car. Even the wheels, I don't know, but the front ones were the most dirtiest of them all. It really sucks to clean this with all these sort of spikes. It really sucks because it takes a lot of time for only one wheel. The front windshield was the dirtiest and couldn't really see out of it. Well, now she's clean. And the back, the body, looks so freaking sexy, man. And normally I don't really like the chrome details, but it looks really sexy with the white color, especially in the sunlight. This is a pretty well spec'd car, but more on that in a future video. And look at the front grille. Yeah, like I said, normally I don't really like chrome details, but on this car it suits it pretty well. Well, there's only one downside about it. I have to clean all the mess up, and after I clean everything, we have to watch Formula 1. Max Verstappen beating the shit out of the others. And after that, we are taking one car for a drive. That will probably not be the E30, because there's coming a future video, full review on it. And yeah, after we watch Formula 1, we're gonna take the GTI out for a drive, because yeah, I really want to drive with this weather now. Okay, so done cleaning everything. Now I want to put the cars together. I want to have the E30 and GTI together. Take a few pictures of it, probably coming on my Instagram. So let's put the cars beside each other. Yeah, look at this, guys. Looks pretty sick together. As an M6 is driving over there. Look at this, guys. Just on my freaking driveway. Oh, this is so freaking sick, man. So yeah, guys, let me know which car you like more. Old versus new. I have to go with the GTI because yeah, it's my own car. But the E30 looks freaking clean. It looks cleaner than my GTI, to be honest, guys. The paintwork is a little bit better than mine. Yeah, the wheels look better than mine. But overall, I would take the GTI just for the driving experience. Just too freaking loud now for the streets, but I love that. So yeah, let me know, guys. Which one would you pick to drive? Okay, Formula 1 is about to start. I hope that Max Verstappen is gonna beat everyone. But here we go. It's the start of the race now. We got quite good start. Leclerc is faster. I'm not the commentator for this race, so I'm gonna enjoy the race and let you guys know the results. Look at this, guys. This is the last round. And Max Verstappen is on his first place. Perez on second. He got the win. It's a very good day for Red Bull. I'm a happy person now after this result. But now it's time to drive the GTI. Okay, so I want to give you guys a small update about the intake I just installed. I haven't had problems at all with it. There's only one thing, is this piece of rubber right here. Doesn't want to be on the heat shield, I guess. I have to find another solution for that because it's pretty annoying. It's coming loose every time. But other than that, yeah, it holds on pretty good. Definitely worth the money, like I already said in the other video. But now it's actually time to drive the GTI, so let's go. Okay, she hasn't warmed up fully yet, so we have to take it a little bit slow. But a little sand, a little sand. Yeah, guys, even in the low RPMs, this thing sounds ridiculously loud. Yeah, guys, as you can see, there's a tunnel up ahead. Let's downshift it. Oh, gotta love the tunnels, man. I forgot my mouthpiece. This is the second time I forgot it. We have to do it like this now, just in my hand. But yeah, next time I will bring the mouthpiece for the POV experience for you guys. Not a tunnel, guys. Sorry for the wind noise, by the way. You actually hear the intake a little bit. It's just, yeah, like I said in the other video, above 4,000, 5,000 RPMs. Then you hear the intake a little bit, and yeah, it makes a little weird sound. I don't know if that's normal, but someone said to me that I had to get a blow-off valve. Maybe I'm gonna get something like that in the future to hear these spooling noises. Maybe there's a video in the future coming that I'm installing a blow-off valve, because yeah, it makes a little weird sound now. And of course, guys, there is no video without taking one specific tunnel. That is this tunnel. Shift it back. So freaking loud always. Just doing tunnel runs today, guys. and like I expected, it is gone now. Here, over here, this is the rubber, and it's supposed to be on this, but this is what I already expected to happen, so now it's finally off, I guess. Yes, I hope you liked the content of today, because we made a little bit of content with the E30 and I would like to make more videos with that car. It is not my car, I'm very careful with that thing. Not with my own car, obviously, because I'm sending her in every tunnel, as you could hear. So I'm not going to talk for too long to you guys. So if you like this video, please leave a like. Also drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram, R19Robbin. And with that having said, guys, houdoe.